So, you bought your VPN package and you're totally psyched to get started right now. But first, you got to install it on your PC. I know, right? Don't worry. It'll be really easy and only takes about a minute. To install your VPN package on Windows, open up your web browser and go to privateinternetaccess.com. Click Support and select Client Support. Now, click on the Download Windows VPN button and save the file. When it's finished downloading, click on it to open up your Downloads folder. Right-click on the installer file and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow the installation. Now, let your computer take care of a few things. Working. Click Install and the installation will begin. And then enter your VPN username and password. These are the ones that were emailed to you. Save and bang! You're ready to go. Congratulations! You did it. That wasn't so bad, was it? Now you're ready to start browsing safely and anonymously.